Good morning guys, it's Ben here from Howards and I'm still outside our latest listing on Commodore Road. Now this absolutely fantastic 3-bedroom detached bungalow really does have everything. Fantastic quality fixtures and fittings throughout, walking distance to local amenities, shops, schools and also the beautiful Broads. And on top of all of that, it's got fantastic parking that you can see behind me and also an annex or holiday chalet, whichever one you want to do. So without further ado, let's have a look around inside. So what do you guys think? Absolutely stunning home with so much versatility and also living space as well. Now on top of everything else we've seen so far, the property also boasts this absolutely gorgeous landscaped rear garden, which you would have seen. Now, properties of this size, of this quality, and also of this size plot very rarely come onto the market. So to avoid any disappointment and to book your viewing, give us a call today. Bye.